Switch sides. Hold. Switch sides. Hold. And switch sides. Hold. Coming up, bring your legs together. Sitting back in the chair. Both legs sitting slowly. Slowly down. Coming on up. From here, we're going to take the chair. We're going to turn it around. We're going to place our hands on the chair. Thumbs are touching. Fingers spread wide open. Hold. And from here, we're going to come down to the forearms, making the letter S. Your head is resting on the arms. We're going to stretch the spine. Releasing the tension in the low back. Resting. Slowly, we're going to come up onto our hands. Thumbs are touching, fingers are spread wide open. Focusing on the left leg. Bring it out behind you. Hold. And bring it down. Right leg. Bring it out behind you. Hold. Bring it down. Left leg. Bring it out behind you. Hold. Bring it down. And right leg. Bring it out behind you. And down. From here, I want you to slowly curl on up, articulating that spine. Hands on the low back, chest wide open. And come on up, facing front. I hope you're feeling a little bit more limber after that nice short chair routine. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps.